Hello, today we will guide you through how to find top losers on Webull. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go on the Webull desktop platform to see which stocks are posting the biggest declines for the session, so you can quickly spot potential opportunities and manage your watch list with more context. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Begin by opening the Webull desktop application on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully so all market data and modules can populate correctly. Using the desktop version ensures you have the broader layout and the full set of market overview tools available in one place. Once the platform is open, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click Market. This section provides a real-time snapshot of what's happening across the market. It's the hub for major movers, sector performance, indexes, and other helpful summaries. Entering here sets you up to quickly filter for the biggest decliners without having to dig through individual tickers. At the top area of the market page, find and select the Top tab. This tab is designed for quick scanning. It organizes major movers into concise lists so you can immediately focus on what's changing most. Within the top section, you'll see categories that highlight significant movement by percentage change or activity. Now choose Top Losers. This view displays the stocks that are down the most by percentage during the current session. You'll typically see columns for the ticker symbol, last price, absolute change, percent change, and volume, among others. The list updates throughout the trading day, refreshing as prices move, so you're always looking at current market conditions. If you're checking this outside regular hours, keep in mind that the data may reflect extended hours trading or the latest completed session. When reviewing the top losers list, focus first on percent change to understand the magnitude of the move. Next, glance at volume to gauge how actively a stock is trading. Heavier volume can indicate broader participation in the move. For context, consider what might be driving the decline, such as earnings announcements, guidance changes, sector-wide news, or macro events. A sharp drop doesn't tell the whole story on its own, so use this list as a starting point for deeper research, including charts, company updates, and risk considerations. That's all there is to it. Open Webull Desktop, go to Market, select the Top tab, and pick Top Losers. With this simple workflow, you can quickly identify intraday decliners and keep your market view organized and efficient.